Cold weather and camera batteries do not get along. On this Friday Quickie, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to prevent your batteries from going dead. Intro. Hey, I'm Will. Welcome to your Friday Quickie, and today we're talking about maintaining your batteries in cold weather. As any of us know that have shot in the winter, cold weather will drain a lithium-ion battery faster than you can imagine. It doesn't even have to be in your camera, it could be in your bag and go dead. One quick, easy solution to that, all you're gonna need is some hot hands and a breathable battery pouch, not a Ziploc bag. So what we're gonna do, I have a battery in here. I got some GoPro batteries, I got some Insta360 batteries in there. We're gonna open up our hot hands. We're gonna give it a few minutes to activate. Now these need oxygen to work. It's a chemical reaction. So after a few minutes, we're just gonna put this in our breathable battery pack. We're gonna zip it up. And if you have an inside pocket, put it in your inside pocket. Keeps your nipple nice and warm. And that's gonna help you maintain your batteries for the life of your shoot. I'm Will. This was your Friday Quickie. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And we got more tips coming up. Peace.